Hi, welcome to King's, and today we're going to be doing our classic mojito, which just is delicious with a whole lime. We've got our sugar cubes going in, we've got our white rum, so that's 50 mils there of white rum. We've got our cut up lime going in there. Again, all started with Sir Francis Drake. Oh, and we've got a loose one. Literally mix that around there. What you want to do is get all that lime, sugar, rum mixed in together to make these beautiful flavours. Absolutely gorgeous. That wonderful sweetness that you got in there, like so. Then we just pop it in the mint, and you just mix that around a little bit. You don't want to make it bitter. Then we're going to add our snow to that. Pop that in there and give it a good mix round. A nice chilled mojito. And then you give that a good old stir. So you're popping that in there, mix it round. Oh, and we've got a bit of soda water or lemonade going in there, whatever the customer wants. Mix it round, give it a good stir. You want to get all that wonderful sugary brown sugar mixed in around those juicy limes. Then you finish it on the top with some more sugar and a little bit of the classic Angostura, and then we're just going to garnish that with some mint and our lime, pretty it up a little bit with our straw, and then there you have the King's classic mojito. Delicious.